This is not Cristiano Ronaldo. It's my picture, but Nano Banana made it look so real, even I almost believed it myself. I uploaded a simple photo into Nano Banana, selected Cristiano Ronaldo, and within seconds, this happened. The face became his. Let me show you how I did it, step by step, and why this tool might be too powerful for its own good. Go to aistudio.google.com. Select Try Nano Banana. So here's the idea. Nano Banana is one of the latest AI tools that can generate images, replace faces. At first, I thought, okay, this will just look like a cheap filter. But I was wrong. I uploaded a regular picture. Nothing fancy. Just me, staring into the camera. And then I thought, what if I could actually swap my face with Cristiano Ronaldo? Not just copy his look, but really become him. I searched for the perfect Ronaldo shot, the one where he's in his iconic football jersey. Sharp lighting, confident expression. Then I dragged it into Nano Banana and hit generate. And honestly, I wasn't ready for what came back. Look at this. I don't even know what to say. The jawline, the eyes, the subtle grin. It's still me. But it's also Cristiano Ronaldo. This isn't just a filter slapped onto my face. Nano Banana blended the textures, adjusted the lighting, and even fixed my hairline to match Ronaldo's vibe. And here's the wild part. If I posted this online, a lot of people would believe it's real. But that's just the beginning. So I didn't stop there. I decided to push Nano Banana even further. What if I try different Ronaldo photos? First, I grabbed a photo of him holding a trophy. And boom, the AI put my face right there. Somehow, I look like I just scored a Champions League final winner. Like, if I upload this to Instagram and caption it, "We made it," I promise you, someone's uncle will fall for it. This isn't just copy-paste. Nano Banana is literally creating a new version of me, in Ronaldo's world. At first, it felt hilarious. I mean, who doesn't want to look like Cristiano Ronaldo for a few minutes? But then it hit me. Anyone could do this. Anyone could put my face on Ronaldo's body. Or worse, on something I'd never want to be part of. And that thought scared me. Because this isn't just a game anymore. This is the kind of technology that can make us question what's real and what's not. Then I realized, this is dangerous. Think about it. With face replacement this powerful, here's what's possible. Fake celebrity endorsements that look 100% real. Scammers impersonating public figures to trick people. Even your own face, being used in ways you never approved. And it's not just celebrities like Ronaldo. This tech could target anyone. If someone grabs just one of your photos online, they can put you anywhere. Don't get me wrong, there's a good side too. Imagine movies, ads, creative content. The possibilities are endless. But when I saw my face as Ronaldo, I realized just how blurred the line between fun and danger really is. So yeah, for a few minutes, Nano Banana turned me into Cristiano Ronaldo. It was funny, it was shocking, it was terrifying all at once. But it left me with one big question. What happens when anyone can become anyone? Would you try this yourself? If you had the chance to swap faces with your favorite celebrity, would you do it? Or do you think this is going too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button if this blew your mind. And don't forget to subscribe for the next crazy Nano Banana experiment. Because next time, I'm going to show you how I turned a simple selfie into something I didn't even recognize. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.